and he didn't start playing baseball because I
You really work on it. What I do, all my
All right, good shot. Take your time. Yes. All right.
Hold it together, I almost lost it. Oh, I just missed it. Hit the tree.
So was it good? And even up until then, I had walked back to
Stuff too, we're gonna be doing for this. Get the fire. Is this video, Ben?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna be sewing a button on Ben's suspenders. Yesterday, both of mine came off my pants, so I have my nice wool pants on here with the suspenders. But got these nice little buttons. Got my little sewing kit in there. I got tons of bags. I can get everything with this bag. So I'm gonna work on this. And it's one of the sewing kit. I have others too, but the wax thread needle. I'm just going to sew it on there and fix the suspenders. Now, I changed pants because I'll fix my pants after, but I'm going to work it out right now. But yeah, we got the Swedish fire going, got the coffee going. Then we're going to eat some food. Got a lot of cooking. So.
What, you just build a fire on top of it and let the ashes go down?
That one I did on top. This one is
Yeah.
and I put soap spark in there in the slits. And you want to know what this is? To help boost the fire. Like the advantage fuse.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because I did put it in steel and I have.
They're still not as big as they were, 10 years ago, but they're big. The Red 400s are definitely bigger. It's funny though, the Red 4 is getting all the